Okay, what's up, everyone out there? And everything's looking awesome out there. And so, you're welcome to Ruleboy Crypto. So, if you're new on this channel, please kindly smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and join us on Telegram at Ruleboy Crypto Group on Telegram. You can also follow us on Twitter at Ruleboy Crypto. You can also follow me personally on Twitter at RU_SHED. So I needed to come live by now because of the market, the way the market is looking. So I needed a quick update. So and this is the time. So this update needed to come by this time. And looking at everything that's been happening, the market has been going just as predicted. It's been going just as predicted. So I told so many of my group members not to be scared. And yes, so those who listened and are strong are on profit right now. So if you're new, please kindly smash the like button for me. That's your own way of supporting the group, supporting the channel. Smash and share this content. It's a free content that I come up with every day. And also like the video. So thank you for doing that. So thank God for today, and we are in the month of celebration, which is the December month of Thanksgiving. We're in the month of celebration, so I hope you are having fun out there. Okay, good. Looking at the market right now, Wi-Fi from 20,000. Let's see that Wi-Fi. Let me just open the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is looking nice. The AR we've H-bar, VAX, good one. Hex, interesting, I love that. Then Luna, awesome. Make sure you copy into Algo right now because Algo is undervalued right now. All these other ones are already up. So but Algo right now is down. Polkadot is down, Mana is down, Flow is down, and Gala is down. So you should just look into that. And TRX or so these are the guys are up, and before they came up, I told everyone, hey, it's time to ladder into them, and those who did ladder into them should be excited by now. And I told everyone why Hex is up. Why Hex is up is because of the post chain sacrifice that'll be coming up soon. That's the reason why Hex is holding strongly at the top, and this is just the beginning for Hex. Hex is going to see more movement. Okay, so that being said, I want us to look into the market to see how Bitcoin is moving and to see how the dominance is moving also. So let me open dominance this side while Bitcoin the other side. Okay, now, and if you look at the chart went exactly as predicted, 90% as predicted. Now we're having another movement here which the chart is creating. So we're having double bottoms right here. So what is this double bottom going to do? Let's just try something here. 1 2 3. This might be what we're gonna get here. We're gonna get that here if Bitcoin is not gonna drop. This is what, because if that continues, because this continues, we were supposed to get that push up right from here, right? That episode was supposed to happen from here. We're supposed to go right up, but right now we are having multiple tops, which we are gonna look at the chart again and know what this chart looks like. But before, we were supposed to have a bullish flag button, a bullish flag pattern here, but that has been broken. And look at where we are right now. Let me try using the pitchfork and see if there's any update we can give with the pitchfork on that. So starting from here with my pitchfork, going to the top, then going to the lowest. Okay, so with my pitchfork, I'm saying the chart still looks bullish. I'm still seeing that the chart still looks bullish. So if you can see, we touch the first one, we touch this. See, just look at this. We touch this number 1, this number 2, and this number 3. So we're still gonna come and touch maybe this number 4, right? So if you don't touch this, that means we're going to come down or break up. But before then, I'm definitely going to come live again to give an update. But for this one, just like I said, if Bitcoin doesn't hold at this target, I told you everyone that is going to come below is going to come to this target. That's if we don't hold at this current target right now, we're definitely going to come below this target. And before then, you should be sure that you are using stop loss, because once it comes here, it's risky. It's risky because there's no more strength at this target to hold for us. It's definitely going to drop. So which is very going to be risky for us. So but for now, there's nothing to be scared about. So I just want us to look at dominance. Let's look at the dominance and see what the dominance is doing. So dominance on 4 hours, I told everyone that dominance was going to go sideways. With our pitchfork, we can see it right here, right? We can see that dominance with our pitchfork is going sideways already, just like I said. So dominance is just going to play around this blue line. While playing around this blue line, so we need news to push Bitcoin to the top. Right. Okay, so that's that for dominance. Let's look at the daily chart for the both of them. Daily chart for dominance and daily chart for BTC. The reason why we need to look into the BTC is because the BTC has full control, has 80% control, 70 to 80% control effect to the market. So what BTC does at times affects the market. So looking at this, we are still seeing that the candles look bullish. Let's take that off. So this looks bullish. This candle looks bullish, but before we cannot start making our ways up with looking at it like this, it means that we need to correct the right lows here. We need to correct right lows here. So there should be a correction right lows here before we can push our ways up. So that's that. Let's look at the dominance on daily. So dominance on daily already look oversold, and it looks like it's gonna pump any moment. So dominance any moment is going to pump, and yes, that's it for that dominance movement. So now let's look at news. Let's look at the news and see what. If you have anything you would love me to look into, just feel free to share it with me. Feel free to send it to me. I'm definitely gonna look into it. If you have anything you want me to look into. Okay, so let's see the market insight. Let's see what's happening in the market insight. Let's see if there's any news that we need to so no. Oh, as 4 hours ago, Bitcoin boosters limits. No. So if you have any news you want me to look into, just feel free, because right now you would need news that is going to help the market or either destroy the market. Just one more of my site. Let me see, because I need that. Crypt. Okay, so while we're waiting that to load, let me just look into others. Okay, 9 minutes. Another Ethereum medication is cancelled over Iran's sanction fears. This one says digital asset funds hit by record 142 million of outflow, so which is really scary. 1 hour ago. So GR Technologies raised 12 million to boost smart contract development on Polkadot. Shout out, I love that. 3 hours ago, so we're gonna look into that. So JP Morgan to develop payment blockchain system for SIA. Man's report. So we don't know where that is going to be, so look out for that. So Stronghold Digital Mining to acquire 9,000 Bitcoin rigs. So we are seeing more is coming into Bitcoin, so I think this is really going to help me Bitcoin. So Figment reaches unicorn status with 110 million series. Okay, not really okay for us. FTX.US cause deal with owner of Washington Wizard Capital in bid to expand DC. Okay, so it's Ether call demand signals anticipation of the yearly rally. Okay, Phantom DeFi project Grims finance employees for. So we're gonna look into the Phantom. We're gonna look into the Phantom and also look into the Polkadot. These are the. So let me just look at the chart. Let's just bring out the chart and Phantom. FTM USDT. Let's look into the chart because I want us to go into technical and TA. So the next one is the dots USDT. So these are the two major chart right now I want us to look into. So this is on daily chart for FTM. FTM daily chart looks awesome. 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 So right now for FTM I'm seeing a little bit of correction to this target, right? But if not, then that means we're gonna come to this range. So this should be your entry target. These 2 points should be your entry target for FTM. Then let's look at dots while the news is coming in, right before the news comes in and pushes things up. Go back to the daily candle. So Polkadot. You know, dot is really on the value right now. Looking at Luna is high, so Luna should really give you a clue where Polkadot is supposed to be. Polkadot is one of the strongest projects that everyone should look at. So Polkadot is really a sleeping lion right now, so you should really look into Polkadot. So Polkadot might come down a little bit lower to this range. Might come down to this range, or even push a little bit down here. Let me just say I'm not gonna be too greedy for entry on this one. So this might be a buying point, but except these news that we're gonna look into are going to pump it to the next stage. So let's see Polkadot open next, then Phantom DeFi. So Phantom and that is gonna be there. I really don't know why this guys doesn't open real quick. Okay, so I'm looking at the Jet Technologies raises 12 million to boost smart contract development on Polkadot. So we're seeing some funds are coming into Polkadot. So please look out for Polkadot. It's on the value right now. Let's see the current price of DOT. The current price of DOT is $24. So get into DOT and get into DOT. Yes, I'm correct. Get into DOT. So let's see if we can read a little bit of the article on Polkadot. So Jet Technologies, a smart contract layer supporting the Polkadot blockchain framework, has raised 12 million in a funding round led by Blockchain. So with participation from Three Arrows Capital. So we're seeing partnership coming into Polkadot by Three Arrow Capital. So Lemniscape, Distributed Global, and a host of other venture capital. So they raised $12 million into Polkadot. Hey, this is a big one for Polkadot right now. Look at Polkadot. It might not even get to this range. Polkadot might not drop to this range. This will pump. It might not drop to this range. This is definitely on the value price for you in Polkadot. This current price is on the value. So Polkadot, you should be looking at for Polkadot right now, because with the news we are reading right here, we are saying that these guys doesn't want. When was this? Remember that this news just came in today by 3 p.m. GMT. That's when this news came. So this update is just recently. It's just today. So you should make sure you ladder into Polkadot. Don't miss that. Don't miss that. Please kindly share this content. I want more people to get this news. I want this information to get to more people out there, because this is a whole lot of news coming out from Ruleboy Crypto. So a number of top exclusive executives of the Web3 Foundation and Parity Technologies also participated, including Polkadot founder Gavin Wood. So, who said in a statement that GS infrastructure efforts would benefit our entire ecosystem. Hey guys, please ladder in, because this news is a bullish news. It's a bullish news for Polkadot. So the announcement, I want to show you one more chart while we are doing what we're doing. Let me just show you one more chart while we are doing what we're doing. Let that load. I want to show you the chart of Luna, because it's a project that you shouldn't miss. Last time I called AVAX really low at when AVAX was at 60, 50. I called AVAX. Now AVAX is times 200. So please don't miss out. Remember, on Ruleboy Crypto, you get the best news, honest news, and I tell you what's in my mind, give you my opinion. You now go ahead and make your choice yourself. So we can see that big investors are already coming into Polkadot to push the price up, because already they are not excited with the price of Polkadot right now. Even I myself here, Polkadot is not running. This is on daily chart. So we have seen that on daily for a whole how many days? Let's see how many days that Polkadot has been down from its all-time highs. So we can see like this is a month end. More than a month ago, Polkadot has been down more than a month, and like two weeks Polkadot has been down, so which is not exciting at all. And the all-time highs of Polkadot was 50, 52, 53. Let me just say 53. That was the last highs of Polkadot, and right now is at the 20s. At the 20s, this is a whole lot, like 30% down. So ladder in on that. So the announcement comes quick on the heels of a major milestone for Polkadot. So the network's first parachains, basically layer 1 blockchain running atop the layer 0 that is Polkadot, went live on Saturday, which was last week. So Polkadot on its own doesn't allow contract development, as it's not an application platform, but more of a kind of a meta protocol. So Setger Technologies founder Nikolai Volf, who was previously a core developer at Parity, working closely with Wood over a 6-year period. So the grand goal is to provide a fast track for smart contract development in the Polkadot ecosystem. So this is an integration that is going to come into the Polkadot, which is definitely going to help Polkadot to skyrocket to a new all-time. Polkadot is, I think I will add Polkadot in the list of projects that are going to compete with Ethereum price. So while AVAX is already there competing with Ethereum price, I'm seeing Polkadot also coming into that line to compete with Ethereum price. So it's a big one for Polkadot. So Volf said in an interview, please kindly ask a question. If you have any question, ask a question. I'm here to answer you. So said in an interview, in terms of the technology, our approach to how different contracts interact with each other is a highly parallelizable architecture. So I think they are going to come in with a more different way on how smart contract interact, unlike the other ways that we say, which is a really big one for the Polkadot system. So GS next move is to launch a testnet in early 2020 and pass third-party security and finalize audit. A go live date is established in the second half of the year. So we are seeing this. I really love to be in that. I can't miss that. I can't bring out news like this, then I'll mix it myself. It's not gonna be nice. So if you are with me here, I'm definitely gonna keep to be updating you on how this is gonna run. I'm gonna follow this news up to make sure that I'm up to date with that. So GI is a key ingredients. So GI is a key ingredient to simplifying building blockchain apps. So blockchain CEO Ken Self said. So we are seeing that Polkadot, a whole lot is coming to the Polkadot ecosystem, so which no one should miss. Please kindly smash the like button for me. Please kindly smash the like button. Let it be 2 likes for now. You know, we are just early. This is early, so we are coming up with a whole lot. Ruleboy Crypto is just an early channel which is coming up, so you being here for us, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. I'm too sure that we are going to grow. We're going to grow. Okay, we already look into that. Now let's look into the Phantom DeFi project. Green Finance exploited for 30 million. So let's look at the news and see what the news is saying. So the hit was one of the largest on the Phantom blockchain. What's happening? So youth compounding to Green Finance had 30 million worth of Phantom tokens stolen from its protocol after an exploit on Sunday. So the project took preventive measures to stop further damages. Well, so we saw that the Phantom system lost $30 million worth of Phantom tokens. Well, I'm just saying this right now. So this news is coming. This news was just dropped this evening. Okay, this morning. It was dropped this morning by 8 and by 9 a.m. So I'm just saying this. I know this is definitely going to be causing a whole lot of panic in the industry, right? It's going to cause a lot of panic in the industry. So we inform you that our platform was exploited today by an external attacker roughly 6 hours ago. That was in the midnight, 6 hours ago. So the attacker's address has been identified with over $30 million worth of theft here. So the project developers tweeted on Sunday morning the exploit was found in the vault contract. So all of the vaults and deposited funds are currently at risk, they said in a separate tweet. So let's look at the tweet. Hello Grim community. It is with heavy heart that we inform you that our platform was exploited today by an external attacker roughly 6 hours ago. The attacker's address has been identified with over $30 million worth of the theft. So this is the address, blah. That's that. So thank God that they notified the community, and the community are strong because the team are already on it and that it has been identified. So let's see what is going to happen next. So build on the Phantom operation network, Green Finance allow users to stake. Okay, they're just trying to explain. So we are seeing this happening to Phantom already. That is the news in Phantom. Let's see if there's any other thing any other news that we can look into on the Cointelegraph. Okay, so on the Cointelegraph, December 14th, that's not what we want. 10 hours ago. So 10 hours ago, Indian statement governors to accredit Web2. No, that's not what we want. We'll just need the DeFi protocol, Green Finance. Okay, we've read that already. Bitcoin wobbles below as 1 bit is past 800k Turkish era for the first time. Okay, don't expect retail sell-off to crash Bitcoin price. 3 hours ago, that was 3 hours ago. So the biggest winners and losers of the crypto industry in 2021. Wow, that would be nice. Let's look into that. Let's see the biggest winners and losers of the crypto industry in 2021. We are going to look into that. Just open that in another tab. Okay, we're going to look into that. That might be the last update for today. That might be the last update for today. So the biggest winners and losers. 47 minutes ago, Chinese companies embark on a metaverse trademark race. I think we should also look into that. Play to earn NFT gaming portal and platform combines the metaverse with esport to encourage participation. Metaverse is really going to the next level. SEC Commissioner Ellen Roisman will leave by end of January. 1 hour ago, low decoded making sense of mixed signals. So we have like let me just get that sorted. This should go off, and this should go off. We already read that. This should go off. We already read that. Okay, we are reading this. We're going to look into that. We are also going to look into the Chinese embarking into metaverse. So we have 2 extra news to look into. So firstly, let's start with the biggest lose. Okay, let's start with the Chinese companies before we now go into the biggest winners and losers of 2021. Let me take some water. Okay, so that's nice. So Chinese companies embark on a metaverse trademark race. Despite the Chinese central bank's proposal to monitor the metaverse and NFT companies, such as Tencent and Hawaii are pursuing metaverse. Oh, Tencent and Hawaii are pursuing metaverse-related trademarks. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So, even though the People's Bank of China wanting a metaverse and non-fungible NFT token in November, more than 1,000 Chinese companies have submitted thousands of metaverse-related trademark applications. So, in a summit, but the beautiful thing is people are definitely going to, the government are definitely going to try to push the crypto market down, but they can't. No matter how they try, they just can't. So why? Imagine what's happening. Why everyone wants to make gain. Everyone wants to be at the top, and where the world is moving is where everyone wants to be, right? Where the world is moving, that's where everyone wants to be. No one wants to be in the losing side. So we are seeing already that the crypto market is non-stop going up, and a government are telling its people to stop making money from it. It's definitely not gonna work. People are not gonna listen. They're definitely not gonna listen, right? So here in a summit back in November, Go Wen-Juan, the People's Bank of China's AML and Analysis Center and director, warned about the dangers of digital asset. So here we can say it. So according to Gore, because virtual assets have no physical basis, they can be used for illegal financial activities. That is his thought, his reason for saying that is his reason for saying that this digital asset is dangerous, right? So Gore cited activities such as illegal fundraising, pyramid schemes, that's our get quick rich scheme. However, ignoring the bank's warning, so Chinese companies rush to register metaverse-related trademarks such as metaverse satellite. Wow, these guys really want to take over. And metaverse exhibition. According to the South China Morning Post, more than 1,360 Chinese companies submitted 8,534 trademarks application related to the metaverse by Sunday. So this is a quote. Tencent set to sharpen focus on metaverse, a metaverse-like development with advanced new gaming studio. This is really a news that I need to follow up. Also, is a news that I really need to follow up. So most of the companies that applied for trademarks registration are tech firms. This includes big companies like Huawei and Hisense. So the former application to register Meta OS, while the later applied with several trademarks in various areas like social services, advertising, and science. So we can just see that China also coming big into the metaverse. So this is something that everyone should definitely look at. So if you have people who are not into the crypto system, this is a good time to come into the crypto system, because we are not stopped. We keep going up, right? So 2 hours ago, the biggest winners and losers of the crypto industry. This is so beautiful. I think I might come live again with this particular one. This is, I think I should make a new stream for this. This is a new stream because I need more people into this particular stream. So I'm just gonna end the stream right now to start a new stream to get this. Let's jump into this together in a new stream. So please, if you are new on this channel, please kindly smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification button, share this free content. I'm doing this for free for everyone out there. I'm not asking for payment. It's just a free content. So all I want from you is just subscribe. All I want for you is like, and all I want from you is to smash the like buttons for me. It's your own way of saying thank you. It's your own way of saying thank you. I'm always gonna come live to you. So you can join us on Telegram at Ruleboy Crypto Group on Telegram, and on Twitter Ruleboy Crypto. Then you can also follow me personally on Twitter @RU_SHED. And that's that for now. The time is already up. We've spent like a whole lot of time already, so you can join us in the next stream. I will be coming up in less than 1 hour again today, so please stay tuned and trade safely, invest safely. Okay, one more thing I wanted us to look at is the Luna. I wanted us to look at the Luna USDT. Let's just look at the Luna charts. So if you can see, the Luna chart keeps making headways. Luna keep making headways. Let me just look at monthly chart. A whole lot. Luna is doing so well, bro. Luna did so well. What's up? What's up? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is just 1 yay. 1 yay, 19,000%. Luna, bro. And it's still going up. It's going up to the 100,000. Shout out to the Luna community out there. Shout out to the Luna community out there, bro. This is awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. So that's that for today. I want everyone to stay safely, trade safely, and thank you. This is Ruleboy. I love you.